First J-channel trim window. Bottom of that foil is top of my head, and that's 6 foot. Front porch is going to be 6 foot high off the ground. She needs a bath.